So normally my clients ask me a very frequent question that what is the good product to sell online, especially for the dropshipping business. So my answer to them is very specific, and that I think that can benefit you as well, who is getting into the dropshipping business. That the product should not be easily available in the market, or something you can get it easily from any corner store. So if you're getting into the dropshipping business, always try to look for something that is innovative, recently launched, some kind of a wow factor in it, and it should be a problem solving. Because if a customer is buying a product, that should fulfill some of his or her need, because that product should add some value to his or her life. So always try to get into those type of a products. Then there would be a very good opportunity to scale up that product. Moreover, you need to check that that product should not be available in the hypermarket like Tesco, Walmart, Carrefour, and also check some of the other online platforms like Amazon as well. Either the product should be not available on those platforms, or should be recently launched. Because there should not be very high number of reviews on those platforms. Then there is an opportunity that you can scale up that product. So and the product should have a very good images if you are importing it from AliExpress, and it should have a very high perceived value actually. So for example, we are getting a product from AliExpress around $30 inclusive shipping and the product price to US or UK. So we need to sell that product with a $30 margin on the price we'll be getting from AliExpress. So we'll be selling that product around $60. So we need to see that whether that product has that perceived value or not. Can we sell that product with in $60 or not? So if not, then obviously we need to skip that product and move to the next product. And if yes, then obviously that could be one of our potential product for the dropshipping business. And the image needs to be very crisp and clear, and the product should be popped up. I'll make another video on the images. So yeah, that's it for my tip for that shortlisting a product for the dropshipping business. Thank you.